hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. Sorry, my voice is a little bit rough right now. I'm having, I don't know what's going on, but maybe I caught something. But anyways, I'm still going to try to give you guys some analysis. And a big congrats to the Discord members. We got a banger of a trade today. We closed 2 trades. And actually, the Bitcoin Cash one was a massive win because it was a very big portion of the portfolio. So this is really going to help us grow further and further. So I think we're up over 60% now gain on the year based on our trades. And you guys going to see Q2 reports after the end of June. So I'll give you guys an update on what's going on there, on how we're doing and what the membership essentially, when you gain from it. So there's leverage trades and there's spot trades on crypto. So yeah, let's keep going here. I'll give you guys some analysis. If you guys want to sign up, the link's in the description. Again, still 50% off before June, before we make a new all-time high, which could be at any moment. So Bitcoin got a bit of a pullback today. So I decided to secure some gains right around 70,700 before the dump happened. Now that the dump has happened, we can take a look at the smaller time frames. Not so small. Let's take a look at the smaller time frames, like the 1 hour or the 4 hour. But really, I don't see any buying right now from smart money. I saw some selling, and that's why I decided to take some profits. 1 hour, nothing there. 30-minute, nothing there. 24, and then the 12. Yeah, I'm not seeing any buying except for the 12-minute. But the 24-minute is already showing a red cross, so I think you might get another leg down here. This could either be a more complex correction in a wave 4. So either this move is happening right now, and we're gonna impulse out over the weekend, or this is going to dump down lower in a different correction. Maybe it's an ABC with a WXY. So maybe you can get a more complex correction, but I still think that we could be getting ready and gearing up for the move up at any moment. And again, you can always make your counts differently than mine. It doesn't have to be picture perfect. And again, I could always adjust mine as well. Like I could even put the 1 here and then the 2 down here somewhere, right? So we could get rid of a lot of unnecessary counts to simplify it. So I can simplify it right now just to give you an example. So this is the wave 1, and now we're finishing up in a 2, right? And the 2 can either be done now or it could extend lower. But usually what you want to see in a 3 is this type of movement, very impulsive towards the upside. But this is a 3rd wave of the 5th wave. So, I mean, this could this could end at any moment once we make a new all-time high. But it doesn't mean that we can't correct lower, right? So it doesn't mean that we can't go lower. We could definitely dip back down to maybe 65K. But I've been bullish overall, and my levels have been holding. So I continue to favor the upside. But let's cover market cipher, and I'll take a look at it for you guys here. And like I said before, guys, usually we start to see a run up in the Bitcoin price 60 to 90 days after the halving. So we had the halving here right around April, mid-April. So we're getting pretty close to the middle of June here, which is going to be in a week or 2. And then after that, once we enter the middle of June to the middle of July, that's the window for Bitcoin to really start rallying. But could we start to dump down? I mean, we got bearish divergence right now on the daily. You got green money flow that barely came up. And on the 4 hour, you do have good green money flow, but it's already starting to fade a little bit. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on things, and that's why I took my profits today. I mean, we were along since 67,000 down here, and we just decided to shave some off before it dumped back down, and it did dump pretty severely today, along with the traditional market. So I'll be letting you guys know once I enter my position once again. I will only be giving the signals to the paid members, obviously. So the link's in the description. If you want to sign up, you can even check out my profit loss history on my website, and I'll be doing a Q2 update very soon. Once the month is over, you're going to see our quarterly profits for Q2 and how the whole portfolio is doing. We're up over 60% so far. So again, we're going to keep compounding those gains. So whoever's been following me, if you guys been following it to the letter. I think some people are using more leverage than me, so their gains are probably higher. But again, you take more risk when you do that, right? Because if I can get it wrong, I post all my losses on my website too. You guys can see when I get it wrong. You know, it could actually impact you negatively in a bigger way, and you might not be able to handle that emotionally, right? Because it might not be used to such a big loss. But again, it's up to you. I'll let you guys choose what you want to do. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if we can finally get a nice move up, 80K has been the target for a while now, and then once we enter this area, I think this is where Bitcoin's gonna end up topping out in our first leg up, and then a big pullback down to finish up. You know, months of months. This is probably gonna finish up the last bout of selling before we really rally to the 100 to 200K levels. Anyways, hopefully you enjoy the video, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.